The skies aren't always blue and the trees not always green. The birds won't always twitter and my smile won't always beam. But there's something that'll be there till the world has ended. You'll always be my mother and I'll always be your child, and we'll fight every so often, but that's no more than human, and I'll love you for infinity. Just 'cause sometimes I think you're me doesn't mean I don't love you anymore. Means I'm getting older, that's all. The leaves aren't always gleaming, but winter's always freezing, and my lungs sometimes get out of breath, but then my breath comes back again, like me coming back to you. Yeah, you'll always be my mother, and I'll always be your child, and we'll fight every so often, but that's no more than human, and I'll love you for infinity. Just 'cause sometimes I think you're me doesn't mean I don't love you anymore. It means I'm getting older, that's all. I'll love you forever, not just 'cause you are my mother, but also 'cause you're like a friend to me, a friend who's always there for me, my mom.